journey along the Moselle River, in Germany, brings you past many sights worth seeing. One of them is the town of Cochem. Cochem is a beautiful town, in the German state of Rhineland-Palatinate. It is famous for its wine, vineyards and scenery. Perched high on the hill, over the Moselle River, in the picture-perfect town of Cochem, is the beautiful Reichsburg Cochem Castle. The Reichsburg Cochem Castle is about 100 meters above the Moselle River, surrounded by steep sloping vineyards, and is among the most beautiful picture-perfect castles you may see in Germany. The Cochem Castle has an interesting history, dating back to nearly 1,000 years. It changed hands numerous times, and like most castles, also changed its form over the centuries. The Cochem Castle lay in ruins for nearly 200 years, after it was burned and blown up in the year 1689. In the year 1868, a Berlin businessman named Louis Ravine bought the site and castle ruins, and reconstructed the Cochem Castle in a neo-Gothic style, to use it as his summer home. The reconstruction of Cochem Castle was completed in 1890, after Ravine's death, by his son. The present-day castle is owned and operated by the city of Cochem. As the castle of Cochem is located at the top of a steep outcrop, it is quite intense to walk up to the castle. But once at the Reichsburg Castle, the views of Cochem and the Moselle River are spectacular. You can also take the shuttle bus that departs from the bus station in downtown Cochem and hop off at the castle. The outer ring of the castle is accessible for free. However, a guided tour is only €6. Guided tours run daily at intervals of 10 to 15 minutes in German, and an English tour departs almost every hour. You get to tour the inner castle grounds, dwell around the banquet room, and get one of the best views of the Moselle River from the castle's balcony. With her whitewashed houses, dark timber frame doors and windows and slate roofs, Cochem looks like a village from a fairy tale. You really can't get over the beautiful colorful houses at the Moselle Promenade. If you are planning to visit Cochem Castle, I would recommend you plan to spend at least a day or two there. There are many tours and activities to be involved in when visiting the Cochem Castle. One of them is a river cruise. A river cruise must be on the top of your to-do list in Cochem. Embark on a cruise boat on the Moselle River, choose a spot on the deck to sit, and enjoy the view. You can also choose to explore the old town of Cochem. The town of Cochem seems to be a beautiful fairy tale German village, with its overhanging buildings, small boutique shops, city walls, and wooden timbered houses. You can stroll along the Moselle Promenade and admire the river views, the lovely houses, the hills on the other side, and the castle. Depending on your interest, you can see Cochem in 1 hour, or take all day. You can walk through the town and see all the views in half an hour, or stop at every site, drink coffee with cake, stroll along the Moselle, and take all day. So, have you been to the magnificent Cochem Castle before? How was your experience? Please comment and let me know. If you liked the video, Please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified of my next exciting travel video.